In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ebook on Gamma I. We'll start at the very beginning and finish with a polished PDF you can share or sell. First, head to the Gamma website. Sign in or create an account if you're new. Once you're in, choose Create New to start a fresh project. You'll see options for how to begin. Select Generate with AI, then click Generate. Gamma will ask you to describe what you want. Be specific about the topic, audience, structure, and tone so the results match your vision. For example, you might say, create an ebook about social media marketing for beginners with 8 chapters. Feel free to mention goals, like practical tips and templates, or a tone such as friendly and encouraging. Gamma will produce an outline that usually includes a title and a set of chapters or sections. Take a moment to refine this. Edit the headings so they match your voice, remove anything that feels off topic, and add sections that fill gaps. Rearranging the flow can make a big difference. Aim for a clear journey from fundamentals to application, ending with a conclusion or next steps. When the outline looks right, click Continue. Gamma will generate the actual content for each section. In Gamma, every card represents one page or section of your ebook. Skim through the cards to make sure the scope and depth feel balanced. If a section is too dense, plan to split it. If it's too light, you can expand it in the next step. Now refine the draft. Rewrite sentences to sound natural and consistent with your brand, and keep paragraphs short for readability. Add visuals that genuinely support learning, images for examples, charts for data, and bullet lists for quick takeaways. Adjust the tone to suit your audience, more formal for professional topics, warmer and conversational for beginners. Watch for repetition, define any jargon, and keep your calls to action clear. With the words in good shape, design your ebook. Choose a theme or style that matches your topic. Then fine-tune fonts, colors, and layout. Prioritize legibility. A clean, sans serif body font, generous line spacing, and high contrast make a big difference. Use consistent heading levels, align elements neatly, and keep margins comfortable so the PDF reads well on screens and in print. When you're satisfied, go to Share or Export. Choose PDF for a traditional ebook format, or share a link if you prefer an interactive experience. Before you distribute, preview the PDF on a phone, tablet, and laptop to confirm page breaks, images, and links look right. And that's it! Your Gamma built ebook is ready to go.